video. No, this is weird. Look, I'm actually doing it.
Somebody said it was today. They were like, "Can I buy some more uniform? Can I do this? Can I do that?" I was like, "Do what you want." I just want to go. Order bring the over. Yeah.
Whoa.
Chop the pepper up and have get the pepper in it.
How long, Belle?
This is going to be a few minutes long. Mommy, video and Dad doing a barbecue and Mommy, I'm putting Daddy on YouTube.
Dre, do a thumbs up for Jack. He's videoing you.
No.
Dad, are you going to be embarrassed if you get 500 downs?
I don't even know what that means, mate.
It means people are booing your video or say my video. I don't really care. It's at least people have seen it. It's not like people haven't seen it already. It's already 1 minute and 7 seconds left.